Good morning, friends. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss today I discuss animation in PowerPoint. Today I discuss animation animation in PowerPoint. This is the class 6 chapter number 5. My dear student, first of all I discuss what is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint means presentation. PowerPoint means presentation. Presentation is mainly related to communication or idea or message. Suppose Microsoft Word. Everybody study Word. Everybody study Microsoft Excel. The all such type of Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, Excel, these all are related to the Microsoft Office. The all Microsoft Office package, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So my dear student, presentation means communication. Presentation means communication, not for the communication, not communicating idea or message, idea or message effectively to the message, effectively to the message, to communicate effectively to the message. This is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software. PowerPoint is a presentation software. Presentation means communicating idea, message effectively to idea, message effectively to the message. Effectively, not for the message, effectively to the masses. This is the PowerPoint. This to communicate to common message, to communicate to common message to many people, simultaneously, we use different presentation, we use different presentation modes like audio visual presentation, audio visual presentation, or text based presentation. Text based presentation. So, my dear student, I again repeat in particular sentence. What is the PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation software. This presentation software is mainly related to communicate to the message effectively to the masses. To effectively to the masses, to communicate to common message to many causes. Suppose I communicate, I teach means I communicate means I communicate to the every such type of a student, not for the particular student. So these are to the many people simultaneously. I present means verbal presentation. Verbal or to the not, there are two type of the presentation: verbal presentation and to the non-verbal presentation. Verbal presentation means the written statement. I communicate with the written statement. This is the verbal presentation, but the non-verbal presentation is only for to the speak. You only for to the communicate to the one person to the other persons. More like audio visual presentation. Audio visual presentation means suppose I only for uh, you call to the anybody. You only speak. You call to the Sam. The Google is the automatically search and you automatically call to the Sam. So or text based presentation. Text based means this is the text based presentation. So this is the PowerPoint. My dear student, your topic name is animation in PowerPoint. What is the animation? Again, my topic is animation. What is the animation? What is the animation? So animation are the animation are the special visual effects, a special visual effect that makes the presentation more attractive for audience. I example for the animation. You go to the cinema hall. And the first time presentation, the so many such type of presentation in front of you, the look is a very attractive because your audience in front of you. The all over such type of the filmy actor, you only for focus to the animation. Animation means suppose I write down to the this I write down to the particular sentence. So this is so if I present in the so many such type of audience, I present in so many such type of company, I am not so in this statement. I only show for the animated video. Animated means suppose I call to the any such type of person. The video is automatically in front of you. The person is calling to you. This is the animated video. So animation are to the special visual effect that make the presentation more attractive for audience. For help a speaker to control the flow of information to the slide. Mainly animation is mainly related to the slide show. Yeah, animation are to the animation are the special visual effects a special visual effects that are used to make the presentation more attractive. The presentation more attractive. This is the animation. This is the animation. Animation means the special visual effect that are make the presentation more attractive. So, my dear student, this is the animation of the PowerPoint introduction. So, next class, I only discuss for the practical part. Thank you so much.